Statistically, Calgary pays a lot more, and something should be done about it.
To reduce the non-energy charges on your monthly utility bill, the City of Calgary is aiming to implement a new model to calculate the franchise or local access fees on your electricity and natural gas by January 1st, 2025.
There's fees, there's taxes, there's this, there's that, there's everything else combined in it. So for most people, they're probably looking upwards of $400.
Rent is pretty high, and then the utilities on top of that, it's kind of eating into my monthly income.
There are two kinds of charges on your monthly utility bill: charges for the energy and natural gas you consume, and non-energy charges that include a local access fee, money that goes to the City of Calgary to maintain utilities on municipal land. But the new calculation formula hasn't been confirmed yet, and the percentage of saving is also not known.
The calculation is really complex, and it's very hard for consumers to understand where that number comes from and why they're suddenly paying so much more than they were last month. What we're going to do is change that to a model that works on a simple flat rate that's applied to each unit of energy that you use, because if you use less energy, then you pay a lower fee.
After skyrocketing electricity prices last fall, Calgary City Council approved this new model on March 18th. Economist Joel McDonald says fluctuating electricity prices not only make your bill higher, but also increase what you pay for local access fee. He makes a comparison between the price of electricity in Alberta in January 2024 as 15.2 cents a kilowatt hour, and that in June to be 3.1 cents a kilowatt hour. Now consider paying 11% of 15.2 and 3.1. He feels this move would bring some annual savings for Calgarians.
My suspicion is it should bring Calgary in line with other regions. So you could see that $200 per home of savings. However, one of the most important effects is it's going to reduce those extremely high price spikes in one given month.
This new model of a flat rate for the local access fee is already being used in Edmonton. As for Calgary, the city says currently they're working with NMEX and ETCO to determine new fee rates. After that, they need an approval from Alberta Utilities Commission for the new local access fee rate to kick in from January 2025, 2 years earlier than initially planned. In Calgary, Henna Saeed, City News.